TikTok is a great app to watch and consume videos, but I would highly recommend following these steps so that you can watch those videos anonymously and also not share exactly whose profile you're seeing and all of the videos you're searching and watching. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android, and first tap on your profile at the bottom right. Tap on the three lines at the top right and tap on Settings and Privacy. From here, right under Account, tap on Privacy. And then scroll down from here and tap on Viewers. Now, this is a default setting that is turned on TikTok. Essentially, this allows you to be able to see who has viewed your profile, but it will also share when you view someone else's profile and their videos. I would recommend turning this off if you wanted to keep everything private. But that's not everything you need to do. Tap the back arrow, and there are other things we need to do as well. Tap the back arrow again, scroll down, tap on Activity Center, tap on Watch History at the top. This will show you all of the videos that you have watched. All you need to do is tap on Select at the top, and you can select all of these videos, or tap Select All Watch History at the bottom left, and then just choose Delete and then Delete. This will delete your entire watch history, but it won't delete your search history or videos that you watched down the road. I'll show you a trick to be able to do that as well. Tap the back arrow at the top left, and from here, tap on Search History, that third option. From here, all we need to do is choose Select all search history, and hit delete to be able to delete that entire search history. However, if you wanted to down the road be able to watch videos without anyone else knowing that you've watched them, there are two ways to do that. Tap the back arrow at the top left, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and turn on Unlock with Face ID and hit Allow. Essentially what this means is you can use your Face ID to lock your watch history on TikTok. No one will be able to see it unless they use your Face ID. But there is a second option that's a bit better in my opinion. Tap the back arrow again, and scroll down to the bottom, tap on Log Out at the bottom. Now just tap on Log Out here in red, and then Log Out. All you will need to do after you've fully logged out of your account is you can tap on Add Another Account. Essentially, you could create another secondary or dummy account to be able to view all of the videos that you want, and that account can be completely private. You can turn on private mode, and no one will be able to know, or no one needs to know, about that secondary account. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.